International travel is starting to become a reality for many weary travelers with itchy feet and an all-consuming sense of wanderlust. It's time to dust off the backpack and get hyped for a future of travel that could potentially be mere months away for some of us. In the meantime, you may require some re-education on travel etiquette, some inspiration, or simply some entertainment. There's no need for a cable subscription nowadays when the content on YouTube is so electric. Watching traveling channels is the best way to relax after a long day of working, instead of watching unreal movies or sad news, which certainly won't help you unwind. There are many travel vloggers nowadays that are amazingly talented and create spectacular videos out of their travel footages that will make you dream and travel from your couch. Today we'll have a closer look at 8 of the top travel YouTubers of 2021. Don't forget to subscribe, let's head into it. Number 8. Harry Mateman. Harry's channel follows his travels around the world. Many of the shots have been filmed using a tripod and act like moving pictures. The videos filmed in Myanmar are particularly vivid and may make you pine for the country despite its current status. The channel is a million miles away from the big-time travel vloggers of YouTube, where every country becomes a montage of sped-up drone shots set to familiar, lo-fi beats with maniacally smiling selfie addicts who tell you more about themselves and their country they are in. Instead, Harry gives his viewers an immediate sense of immersion and is perfect for watching at the end of a tough day to get rid of any residual anxiety. Number 7. Alison Anderson. Alison Anderson spent her childhood snapping away on a point-and-shoot cameras and making goofy videos with friends, but found her love for photography, storytelling through YouTube's broadcast medium. Her storytelling and photography are top-notch. Her videos tug at your heartstrings, especially her solo trip to Alaska as she cruised from Vancouver to Anchorage on her wilderness excursion. You will find her sharing experiences through stories and cinematic videos as she hopes to encourage other women to embrace the adventure of exploring by themselves. Number 6. Fun for Lewis. Lewis Cole initially started out enthralling and grossing out viewers with his adventurous ability to eat every odd delicacy that was dead or alive. Today, this UK vlogger has taken to daily vlogs of his life, inspiring viewers to live the adventure while traveling the world. A well-loved travel vlog hero of YouTube, not only does he make binge-watching addictive, but he incorporates 360-degree video and has his fans introduce his videos. Number 5. Mr. Ben Brown. Mr. Ben Brown is mostly known as a YouTube vlogger, but he travels a bit and his Visual Vibes series showcase some seriously stunning travel cinematography which will leave you breathless. An expert storyteller, his vlogs are partly filmed from his perspective, as if you're inside his head. Whether skiing, motorbiking, or hiking, you'll feel like you're moving vigorously with him as he trapezies around the world to meet up with his posse of YouTuber friends. Ben joined YouTube in 2006, definitely making him one of the older travel vloggers, at least by channel age, out there. Number 4. Wheels to Wander. Cycling has gained momentum during the pandemic and there's a strong urge for people to be closer to the outdoors. Eric and Madi are a bicycle touring couple who started their world cycling tour to the Far East. If you want to know what it's like to ride at a high altitude or even stay with the nomads at Tajikistan or cross the Persian Gulf, Wheels to Wander has many wonderful encounters filled with amazing landscapes of what it's like to discover a world full of hospitality and wonders. Number 3. Sailing La Vagabond. Sailing La Vagabond is run by Australian couple Riley Whitlam and Alina Karaja. It all started with a dream of circumnavigating the globe by sailboat with no previous sailing experience. Riley and Alina share their video content around seafaring experiences, including useful information for those looking to start sailing. They inspire others to live an alternate lifestyle and also help to raise ocean awareness. Now they have a baby in tow, so there's a new and exciting dimension to their travels. Number 2. The Planet D. Dave and Deb of the Planet D not only live the dream of travel, but also visit some of the most exotic places that most of us can only dream about. This zany travel adventure couple have vlogged about adventure travel for the past 10 years, and now they're on YouTube too, inspiring each other and others to take passion for adventure to the next level, making the list as one of the couple travel vloggers to watch. From polar ice plunges in the Antarctic to riding the fastest zipline or ballooning over the Masai Mara, their channel covers a bucket list of activities to try out when you're looking to leave your comfort zone. Number 1. Vega Brothers. The Vega Brothers are the wacky boys of the travel vlogging world. Marco and Alex, these Californian brothers, originally won a competition to video their adventures ticking off the biggest badass bucket list. Since then, the duo has turned their attention to building up their own travel YouTube channel with a unique dynamic that only brothers could create. Their videos focus on discovering local experiences during their travels. As charismatic travel hosts revving you for the flight, they offer a cultural soft side into the joys of traveling. Their travel videos incorporate fun shooting styles, collaborations with other YouTubers, destination guides focused on culture, and lethal drone shots. If you enjoyed getting to know different travel YouTubers, share this video with your friends and hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned to learn more about the fascinating places you can visit around the world. I'll see you in the next video.